Hey guys, Jeff at Auto Sauce. Today we're going to talk about our Minty Metal Sauce. We've all seen what it does on bumpers and car pieces, but let's bring it inside to the house and see what it can do as far as cleaning jewelry. We've got this old ring here, and we're going to polish it up and make it look like new. First thing I'm going to do is glove up. This can get messy with all the tarnish coming off the silver. So we've got our ring, we've got our sauce, we've got our apple spice microfiber. I'm going to put a little bit on here. Just a drop or so, a few drops. I'm going to mix it in. And then I'm going to actually just take the ring and just rub it on the metal or on the against the table. And as I can see right now, just a few rubs, I've gotten all that old stuff off of it. So this will take probably a minute or so to get the ring all fully dialed in, get inside, the outside. I might even add a little bit more. Not too difficult to do. As you can see, the reason I put gloves on was I didn't want my hands to turn all gray. All this stuff come off of this. As you can see, it's already looking cleaner. We haven't even, still just has the wax on it. We haven't even wiped the wax off yet, or the polish off. So we're gonna let it sit for a few minutes, and then we'll come back, and then we'll buff it all out. All right, it's been about 10 minutes, so we're gonna just buff this out and see how good it looks. So obviously I'm not gonna use the dirty part of my microfiber. I'll move it over to the clean side. And just the basic rub it out. Just try to get all the polish out of all the little grooves and stuff. So, there it is. It is all polished out. It looks really good. Even the inside looks good. Probably, if I really wanted to think about it, get into the little grooves and the numbers, but I think this came out awesome. So, there you have it. You can use our Minty Metal Sauce for the home, for your car, for anything. For your jewelry as well. So head over to our site and pick some up today. We'll see you next time.